Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Tuesday morning, it's the 10th day of December. Raining a little bit. If I stand right here, I'm getting wet. Just a little bit of light rain, but it's been very warm. We had mid-70s yesterday. We're in the upper 60s this morning, for heaven's sakes, at 7 minutes till 4 o'clock in the morning. And I think we'll be in the 70s today, early in the day, before temperatures start to fall off this afternoon. We have a cold front on the way that's going to bring showers and maybe some thunderstorms to the area today. And more rain as we get into the evening hours tonight. And then a colder day tomorrow as the showers come to an end. I'll bring you up to date on the timeline and the details. We'll look at how much rain could fall in that second storm system. I'm talking about the storm system late in the week that'll be coming out of the Gulf of Mexico. Could be a little wetter system. Plus, what about the weekend weather? And we'll look ahead to another cold blast next week. Here we go. Let's get started. Here is the setup this morning, early this morning before dawn, as I make your video with the cold front entering northwest Alabama, the first of two fronts, and heading southeastward. So that front makes it beyond Troy, I think, probably by about noon. The second front has the much colder air back behind it. So it's a complicated setup, and it will affect our weather in a big way in the next 24 hours. By 9 a.m., that ribbon of heavier showers, maybe a thunderstorm perhaps, is between, let's say, Birmingham and Montgomery, heading on southeastward. And by 11 o'clock, not quite as robust perhaps, into the river region and heading southeastward with the line of showers and storms down into southeast Alabama by about 3 o'clock, and maybe the rumbles of thunder. In fact, a better chance of thunderstorms in southeast Alabama. There's rain back behind the front as well, and there's also a ribbon of snow and ice from northern Texas into portions of Arkansas, northern Mississippi, Tennessee, and maybe extreme northwest Alabama by tonight and early in the morning. For us, showers are likely today. I can't rule out a thunderstorm. I think we will make the 70s today before temperatures start to fall off in the afternoon. Tonight's low 41, and the winds will pick up. Tomorrow morning, maybe some leftover showers very early, but I think they will clear out, and then we turn much colder. Instead of 70s, how about 50s for a high on Wednesday? How about some upper 30s to near 40 by Wednesday night into Thursday? A chilly day Thursday, but temperatures only in the 50s, but I think we're dry during the day. Showers returning on Thursday night as a low-pressure area comes out of the Gulf of Mexico and heads on northeastward. And here it is on Friday around noon, the low-pressure area probably around Panama City, Florida, with some locally heavy rains in southeast Alabama, and then the low moves into the Carolinas by Friday night. Still a lingering chance of showers Friday night, and maybe even a leftover shower on Saturday. I think the weekend will be not quite as cool. We'll be in the low 60s by Saturday. Rainfall amounts could be excessive in southeast Alabama, where more than 2 inches of rain are expected, especially with that second low, maybe 1 to 2 inches in central Alabama. Then on Sunday, we have a pretty nice forecast. I think we have a mild day with high temperatures perhaps in the middle 60s. So maybe a morning shower left over tomorrow, a much cooler day with temperatures only in the low to mid 50s, and then 50s on Thursday after a morning low of 38, and then a chilly day Friday with the rain, then low 60s on Saturday as the showers come to an end, and mid 60s on Sunday. That looks like the pick of the litter as the best day. Monday night, this is a week away now. We've got another frontal system that'll be moving into the state with showers and thunderstorms perhaps out ahead of it, and some much colder air back behind it. This is Tuesday morning, again, a week from now. So another big change with sharply colder air back behind it as we get into Wednesday, December 18th. So a lot of changes over the next week or, let's say, 8 to 9 days. Hey, so don't forget, if you don't have our weather app on your phone or tablet now, it is great, and it is free, and it has interactive radar down to the neighborhood level. You'll be able to see not only where the rain is now, but where it's going to be over the next few hours with future radar, plus any advanced notifications for severe weather alerts whenever they happen, because it knows where you are. So get it on your phone or tablet now. Search Rich Thomas Weather. All right, we're live on the radio this morning, 6 to 9, News Talk 93.1, live on CBS 8 and ABC 32. A couple of times this morning. Another video for you first thing tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. and your forecast whenever you want it across the dial. Easily available on 8 radio stations twice an hour, the Blue Water family of stations. I'm getting wet right now. Have a good day. I'll see you later.
Rich Thomas Weather.